Next, we are going to discuss about Swami Dayanand Saraswati. He was born in the year 1824 and died in the year 1883. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was a great sage, a philosopher, scholar, and a social reformer. He was born in a Brahmin family, and in 1875 he established Arya Samaj Society of Nobles at Bombay and later at Lahore. He believed in one God and propagated the message of back to Vedas, which are a source of great knowledge. Let me tell you, these are the things we had to remember these things. Some questions can be asked like, who established Arya Samaj? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. In which year he established Arya Samaj? 1875. Where he established Arya Samaj at first? At Bombay. And later on at Lahore. These are the questions can come. Again, one question can be asked, who propagated the message back to Vedas? Again, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. These are the questions which can come from this context. You should remember these things. He believed in one God. That means he believed that there is only one God who is everywhere. He doesn't have any particular form. He doesn't live in any piece of stone or any piece of architecture or sculpture. He is everywhere. He is in this air. He is in the trees. He is in everywhere. He believed this thing. He also started Shuddhi movement to reconvert Hindus who had been converted to other religions. Let me tell you a few things. When the Mughals were in India, there were so many people who has been forcefully converted from Hindus to Islam. They have been converted to Islam. Hindus. I am talking about the Hindus. And when these Britishers were ruling our country, on that time there were so many missionary schools came up, and these missionaries were converting Hindus into Christians. Now, this Shuddhi movement was only for them, those who have been converted to other religions. To bring them back to Hinduism, there should be a movement that is called Shuddhi movement. It is believed that when a Hindu is converted into other religion, it means that he became impure, ashuddh. So he had to be purified, and this purification method is called as Shuddhi movement. So again, one question, who started the Shuddhi movement? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. He opposed idol worship, child marriage and caste system. Now, being a student of DAV, you are well aware of this thing. We don't have any pujas in our school. Any idol worship is not going on. We do Havan because we follow Dayanand Saraswati's message. His teachings we used to follow. Because already I had told you that he doesn't believe so many gods. He believes only one God, and he is present everywhere. So that's why he opposed idol worship. Then child marriage, also caste system. Being a Brahmin also, he opposed caste system. He was a great supporter of widow remarriage and women's education. He was a great supporter, remember this thing. Because he believed this thing that the women also have to come up. Okay, he wanted to regroup this entire country. Those sections who were not joining in the movement, they all have to come, and they will only come when they were educated, when they will know their rights, when they will know what is good and what is bad. Then only they can come together and fight against this evils. They can fight against these Britishers. So Swami Dayanand wanted to build a free, strong and united India. And that's why already we have discussed what are the things he started to do against the caste system. Because earlier we have seen that in 1857 revolt, there were only the Rajas and the soldiers were actually, or the sepoys, those who were being employed by the British, they revolted. But so many sections of these untouchables or the lower caste, they had not joined because they have been discriminated. Women, as they were not educated, they have also not joined. So the sections which have actually not joined, Everyone have to be united, and this will be the education which will bring them in this. Then these social and religious reformers prepared a background for nationalist movement of India. Already I have told you about this.